The Marzi and Costa Show!
And hands too!
Yeah!
Costa, you look nice.
Oh, thanks. I groomed.
Yeah.
I
You
brushed.
look handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, hands.
Hi, hands. Yeah.
Today we're gonna do a tofu scramble.
Tofu Scramble, that's like the perfect breakfast.
Yeah, I know it's one of your favorites.
Yeah, it is.
So we'll start by putting some oil in the pan.
Interesting.
About a tablespoon. We're using olive oil.
Olives. I like those too, Marzi.
Okay, hands, heat that on medium.
I like the black olives more than the green ones.
Yeah.
That's just my personal preference. What's next, Marzi?
While the cooking oil is heating, we're gonna chop some peppers.
Okay.
Today we have red and yellow.
Look at how pretty they are.
So pretty.
I like eating peppers raw too, Marzi.
Yeah, they're fun.
Yeah.
Very crunchy. Awesome. So now, I think the oil's probably heated enough. So you want to take the tofu. We're using extra firm organic tofu. You want to rinse it and slice it.
Yeah.
Very nice. So while the tofu is heating up, we're going to finish chopping the onion. What's great about this meal is you can use whatever veggies you like.
Onions. Yeah, they make you cry sometimes. I know that about onions.
They do.
You know, I heard the trick is you could wear goggles and then you don't get the cry eye thing with the onions.
Okay, hands. Now that the pan is getting good and warm, you're going to chop up and saute the tofu, almost like scrambled eggs.
Yeah, just like that.
Very nice. Looks good.
I love it, Marzi. It's one of my favorite.
Yeah. We're using 1 small onion.
There it is.
Nice.
Marzi,
Yeah.
where does tofu come from?
I think it's made from soy. But I'm not sure where soybeans were originated from. You'll have to ask the professor.
Yeah. Professor, where is soy originated from?
Me.
This is not the time to be discussing Einstein's theory of relativity, Phineas. Soybeans, you say?
Me.
Well, they are believed to have originated from central China, around 7000 BCE, Phineas.
Me.
They are known to be a great source of complete plant protein.
Me.
Yes? 94% of U.S. grown soybeans are genetically modified.
Me.
By organically, you choose to avoid this.
Me.
Well, that is all. Good day, sir.
Interesting.
Okay, now soy is pretty tasteless. So we're gonna add in our choice of seasoning today is salt-free poultry seasoning.
Oh, very good. We forgot to thank the professor.
Oh yeah, sorry, Professor.
Thank you, Professor.
Be generous, hands. You can finish it up if you want. It's about a tablespoon.
Yeah.
So once the onion is starting to cook, we can add the other veggies.
So this is the poultry seasoning.
Yeah.
Where? Do you recall what's in the poultry? Some of the stuff that's in the poultry seasoning.
I know sage.
Sage. Yeah.
I can't remember the others.
Oh.
I have to look it up.
Okay.
But you could use whatever seasoning blend you feel like. There's Italian seasoning. There's herbs de Provence.
My palate has become more sophisticated over time.
Yeah. So Hans just added in the peppers.
Oh, look at that.
And now she's gonna add in the sliced mushrooms.
Ah, the mushrooms.
So you saute it all together. And then you can cover the pan so it cooks faster.
Yeah, we're going now.
You probably saute it for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your preference for doneness.
Yeah.
You could brown up the tofu if you wanted. That's always nice.
Yeah, all the juices from the veggies going right into the tofu. I love it. Absorption of goodness.
Okay, Hans, I'd cover the pan. Let it cook some. I'm gonna wait on the last ingredient.
You put away the cover, Marzi.
You put it away. I thought
Sorry.
you put it on the side.
No, I didn't.
Okay, well, just take a little bit longer to cook because we don't have a lid.
You want me to go get it now?
Probably be a
Okay.
good idea.
You want to see my sprint?
Yeah. So you can let it cook with the cover on for a few minutes.
Let it cook.
Periodically check to make sure it's not sticking. Okay, now that it's mostly cooked, we're going to add the spinach on top. We're going to let it wilt by the heat and put the lid back on.
What was the name of that character that ate the spinach and got strong?
Popeye!
Oh, that's right, Popeye, yeah.
We're using a generous handful of spinach.
Look at that.
So pretty. The green with the red and the yellow. You can put the lid back on to help it wilt. Once the spinach starts to wilt, it's easier to mix in with everything else.
Yeah. It's looking like a proper breakfast, or at least starting.
So pretty.
Pretty. Very pretty.
I've been letting it steam in the pan for a while. Let's check it out, Hans.
Ah!
Ooh, looks good.
Looks
Smells
so
good.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Yeah. So pretty.
Very pretty.
See, just let it cook a little bit longer, a minute or two, to let some of the liquid evaporate. That's created when you put the lid on the pan.
Yeah.
Okay. So now that it's done, put it on a plate and serve it with some toast.
Oh.
This is a great meal for people who can't eat eggs. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Yummy.
That looks delicious.
I can't wait to eat this.
Me too.
Thank you, Hans.
Yeah, thank you, Hans.
Okay, until next time, try to eat real food.
Yeah, enjoy the real food. Tofu scrambled.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.